Hello everyone, this is a short video, the unboxing of the latest tablet from Ainol. It's called the Tornadoes 7-inch capacitive screen. And check out the features in the back here. Cortex A9, flash 1080p, it's a DDR3 1.0 gigahertz, has a G sensor, Wi-Fi. Comes with Android 4.0, does a full HD 1080, and looks like it comes with the OTG cable. And this is the 8 gig model. Let's go ahead and open it up. There it is. It's got a front camera there, 0.3 megapixels. It's got an aluminum frame around the screen, and it's got the same frame as the Aurora. Take a look at the ports here. It's got headphone jack, micro SD, memory card slot, microphone, and mini USB. And this is for from Gadget Grades. It's the least expensive model from Ainol. It goes for $88.99. So it's a pretty good price. Let's take a look at the accessories while it's loading up. Got the charger, USB cable, headphones, and the manual. And there you can see the apps. And it comes with the Android Market / Play Store. Well, it looks pretty good. I'll be making another video showing you more features, so stay tuned. Go ahead and leave comments or questions, and I'll go ahead and reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.